In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage leads on Monday.com CRM. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clear leads board, bring in your contacts, qualify and prioritize them, and smoothly convert the right ones into deals. First, create a dedicated leads board. Start with a clean board so your structure is intentional. Name your board clearly so everyone knows this is the single source of truth for leads. Set the item name as the lead's name, then add essential columns, an email column for direct contact, a status column with labels like new, contacted, and qualified, a people column for the owner who's responsible for follow-up, and a last interaction column to track the most recent touchpoint. Keep statuses simple at first, you can always refine them later. Consistent column names and colors make the board easier to read and keep everyone aligned. Next, add your leads. If you're adding them manually, create one item per lead and fill in the fields you just set up. For a larger list, import via Excel or CSV. Use the import option, then map each spreadsheet column to its matching column on your board. Carefully map emails to the email column and dates to the last interaction column so sorting and filtering work correctly. It helps to clean your file before importing, remove duplicate rows and make sure headers are clear. After import, spot check a few entries to confirm everything landed in the right place and assign an owner to any unassigned leads so nothing slips through the cracks. Now qualify and prioritize. As you learn more about each lead, update the status. For example, change from new to contacted after the first outreach and to qualified when there's a clear fit. To prioritize, add a custom numbers column called lead score. Use a simple scoring approach, consider fit, interest, and timing, and enter a score for each lead. Then sort or filter by lead score to focus on top prospects. Keep an eye on last interaction. If a lead hasn't been touched in a while, schedule a follow-up and update the date after each call or email. Regular updates keep your pipeline accurate and actionable. When a lead is ready to move forward, convert it to a deal. Change the status to qualified, then move the item to your deals board or create a corresponding item there so it enters your pipeline. Make sure key fields, name, email, owner, and last interaction carry over. Add a brief note summarizing context like pain points and next steps so handoffs are smooth. Finally, mark the original lead as converted or archive it to keep your leads board clean. That's it. Set up the board, add leads, qualify with scoring, and convert strong prospects into deals for a clear, consistent CRM workflow.